Um, Good morning to our respected lecturer and to all my beloved friends. Praise all of let us thank God for giving us the healthy and opportunity to gather today. I would like also I would also like to express deepest appreciation and gratitude to our lecturer for giving me this wonderful opportunity to stand here and present my video description assignment. And my name is Francisca and NIM 3224 15001 from the English Language Education. In this presentation, I'm going to analyze and describing a video clip that capture a memorable and joyful moment of a group gathering inside a classroom. Rather than just telling you what is in the video, I will break down my presentation into several parts: the physical description, the visual formatting, the semiotic element, and the cultural background, and finally, how this relates to our journey in English education. Let us begin. And let us look at the video. At first glance, you will notice a very unique, quiet, and creative choice in the layout. The video uses a vertical split screen format and dividing the screen into the identical stacked horizontal frames. And this creative choice is highly effective for social media platforms as it draws the viewers focus to different details of the same scene simultaneously. And now let us describe the environment and the subject. The setting, the scan take place inside neat well-lit classroom. The walls are painted in a soft, warm peach or light pink color, which instantly gives off a welcoming and friendly vibe. In the background, we can see a whiteboard, a glass window let it of natural light, and a frame document, possibly a class schedule or organization card hanging on the wall. And the subject, the crowd is a mix of college youth students, both male and female, along with a few adults standing prominently in the center, who appear to be the lecturers, our educator, and there is a presenting variety in their attire. Many female students are wearing beautifully stylized hijab with casual tops. Others are wearing modern everyday clothing, and some are wearing traditional batik patterns. And this diversity in the clothing show a beautiful blend of traditional identity, modern student life. And next, let's talk about the action and transition in the video. In the video begin with a dynamic transition, a warm, bright orange and yellow light swipe across all three panels. This visual effect symbolizes warmth, energy, and praise by beginning. As the light fades, the subject changes their poses entirely. They stand relatively still, posing formally, but as the video progresses, the energy in the room completely shifts. You can see them waving enthusiastically in the camera, showing thumbs up, sign to signify success and positively, pointing playfully toward the glance, and the blessing page saying, or finger heart, which is a very popular symbol of love and friendship among you today. What makes this video so alive is the synchronization, even though it is spilled into the three frames. Smile, the laughter, and the bright facial expression are perfectly unified. You can feel genuine happiness radiating from the screen. And as student, the English education department, we learn the communication is not just about words, it's also about nonverbal cues. The video perfect example of nonverbal communication. Smiling and laughing, there's universal gestures, so comfort, safety, and joy. It tells us that this classroom is a positive learning environment, and this passion of lecture in the center in Indonesia academic culture, placing teacher or lecture in the center of a group photo is a sign of deep respect. Is also symbolic that the educator or the core support system for the student standing together and with them side by side rather than keeping distance and togetherness. This group posts reflect the core value of our culture, togetherness. In the learning language like English, peer support, collaboration, and finally environment are crucial. We cannot master a language alone. We need a community just like the supportive community saw in this video. And the conclusion my presentation. This short video is more than just quietly social media clip. It is visual presentation of unity, diversity, and the joy of learning together. It remembers us that education is not only about exam and textbook, but also uh, building lifelong relationship and memorable moment. And I hope this description gives you a deeper perspective on how we can read and analyze visual media in our English study. And that's all from me. Thank you very much, especially to our respected lecturer for your guidance and to all of my friends for your kind attention. I am open to any question or feedback you might have. Thank you and have a wonderful day.